Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math quickly and directly with hands-on exercises. Subscribe to the channel. Give your feedback by subscribing and leaving a like. Today we're going to solve these quadratic equations, and to do that, we'll use the Bhaskara formula, which is x equals plus or minus b, the square root of delta over 2a. And what is delta? Delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So let's apply the formula here. Let's find delta first. B squared is minus 9 squared minus 4 times a. Who is a here? 1. And c is 14 times 14. 9 squared is 81. 9 times 9, 81. Minus 4 times 1 is minus 4 times 14. Let's do it here on the side. 14 times 4, 4 times 4, 16. Carry 1. 4 times 1, 4, 56. 81 minus 56, which is 81 minus 56. The 1 borrowed became 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Here, 1 was borrowed to the other side. It became 7. 7 minus 5, 2. Therefore, delta equals 25. Let's apply the formula. Minus b, which is minus negative 9, minus the square root of 25 over 2a, 2 times 1. Minus negative 9, minus with minus is plus, so it's 9, minus the square root of 25 is 5, over 2 times 1, 2. 9 minus 5 equals 4 over 2. 4 over 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. x1 equals 2. Now let's find the value of x2, which will be minus b, which is minus negative 9. And now, here it was minus, now it will be plus. It's plus or minus the square root of delta. So now it's plus the square root of 25 over 2 times 1. A minus times a minus is a plus. So it became 9 plus 5 over 2. The square root of 25 is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 over 2 equals 7. Therefore, x2 equals 7. Now let's look at the graph of the parabola. We got the values x2 and x7. Now, why is that? Why is the parabola facing upwards? Because the a is positive. See here. The a is 1. So, if it's positive, the parabola faces upwards. If it's negative, the parabola faces downwards. Let's move on to the next one. Now let's apply the formula to find delta, which is b squared. So it's minus 4 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1 times c, which is 4. 4 squared is 16, minus 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 4, 16, minus 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. So here, delta equals 0. Now let's apply the Bhaskara formula for x1, which is minus b. So minus 4 minus the square root of 0 over 2 times 1. Minus minus 4. Minus and minus makes plus, so it becomes 4. The square root of 0 doesn't count, so it's 4 over 2. 2 times 1, 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, so x1 equals 2. Now x2 minus minus 4 plus the square root of 0 over 2 times 1, which equals 4 over 2, which equals 2. Here we found a double root. Why did this happen? Because delta is equal to 0. When we have delta equal to 0, we will always have a double root. Now here for the graph of the parabola, and since delta is equal to 0, the root is unique, or also called a double root, which is equal to 2 here. For both x1 and x2, the root will be the same. We have only one solution. So there's the answer to the equations, quick and straight to the point. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. See you in the next video.